Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Guys, so I bought this LG. It's peanuts, you know, like maybe it was even for free or like £10 or something. Okay, with shipping it's £20. Because I went by car for several items in Edinburgh area, and one of them was this. So this wasn't working. I've checked and the backlight was just, everything was dimmed. I switch it on and well, it is 100%, and you can see that here is a bit blurry, but that's natural. So if I do maximum, okay, it doesn't change anything. Minimum doesn't change anything. So my question is, yes, is it this backlight really faulty? Should be, yeah, but this is like a budget phone, okay? It's full HD, no smart, just regular TV. It is good, you know, it is working, but even you can see sometimes blinking. So yeah, I think I'll have to plug it in and use it. If you had something similar, because I didn't, to be true. If it wasn't working when I brought it in, then it wasn't working at all. Now I don't know, what should I do? Should I open it and diagnose the backlight, or should I, you know, like, should I not touch it? Maybe it's a driver board at the back and doesn't give full power. You know, I don't know. If somebody knows it, leave it down below, and I need to think, you know, should I leave it and run it until it will die? Maybe. Or should I diagnose it? Because I could resell it, you know, when it's like intermittent fault, it is working fine, it doesn't have full backlight. So I would say in theory, you know, it would be LED backlight, but it's too dark, you know, it's the picture is, it's not, there is no brightness in it. So for me, yes, for me, those LEDs are dying, and it would be nice to replace them. But what if I'm wrong? What if I'm wrong and it's not a backlight LEDs? If it's a driver board for the backlight, yes, module. But you can, I don't know if you can see, but I can see it's pulsing, yes. I don't know. I've got no idea. That's why I want to show you. That's why I would say it's a backlight, because I've seen it dark and it's working back again. So I will risk it, okay, and I'll order the backlight, and if I'll see that, you know, the backlight is dying, of course, because, you know, opening it, it's like taking you time. Then if I'll order a backlight and it won't be a backlight, I can put new backlight because it's open anyway, yes. I will waste time and money, and then what I can do is just, if that would be a fault again with a backlight, I will know that it's a driver board, which I have in stock, yeah. I've got up to 37, and that's 42 I'm looking with free view. So yes, that's an odd one, that's why I said I'll record it for you. But as I seen it was a backlight fault, I'll just risk it, and I think I'll order the backlight and then I'll open it, I'll replace it, and if I will at ever time, you know, find that this wasn't the fault and it won't be bright, then that would be a shame, and I'll need to record another one. So it will be in the playlist of TVs. If it will have a name at any time, this video, part 1, okay, you can look for part 2 and learn what's in the part 2. But for today, that's everything, guys. Hopefully somebody has straightforward answer to that. For now, let's switch it off. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If possible, let's fix them all. And guys, those who liked the video, likes to you. It doesn't cost a lot, but thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.